right now, let's look at a few more really neat things for your bathroom.
Vanities are a really popular place to update a bath because you can make a big impact on the whole space by changing this one element. And if you like the looks of really clean lines, you'll love this new fountainhead collection from Kohler. The faucet is hidden in the bottom of the wall-mounted cabinetry, so the stream of water becomes the focus until it reaches the simple vessel sink. Kohler is also displaying some glass vessels that have a pretty unique look too. I love the shadows they cast on the counter as the light passes through them. Now over at the Dan's booth, they're after clean lines as well, but these are inspired by nature. For a less linear look, check out this line, simply called Glass Faucet. The hand-blown glass is more than just decorative, it actually is the faucet delivering water to the basin, somewhat indirectly, but beautiful nonetheless. For a more direct approach, how about this travertine basin from the Virtue line by Hopfoot? That inverted cone style is a cool look to start with, but the texture of the travertine really sets it off. Now, want something that's really you? Well, the folks at Kraus have a glass vessel for just about any style, taste, or decorating sensibility. These things are all over the place, from plain and simple to over-the-top cool. If you're looking for a little bling in the bathroom, there's the Ice series from the Rubinet Faucet Company, or the RSVP suite from Brizo, which boasts a Strauss-Swarovski crystal as the focal point of its design. Of course, where would a bathroom be without a bathtub? Well, if you can't find one here, then you're just too hard to please, because there's everything from mild to wild. The aquatic booth covers most of that range with just 2 or 3 tubs. This one, a modern translucent European design from Jason International, is a really cool look that they've introduced to celebrate their 25th anniversary. They also have a new model created from solid surface material. This trend is all over the show, with matching vanities and tubs made from the man-made material that looks just like natural stone. Of course, there's always the real deal if you want to splurge a little bit, and this stone tub from El Dorado is a great example. Now, speaking of pampering yourself, imagine combining a whirlpool tub, steam room, and a spacious shower into one easy-to-use self-contained unit. That's exactly what Steam Planet has done, and they put all of their controls into a simple electronic interface. We saw a similar control panel last year with Kohler's DTV electronic shower control, and this year they've added lights and music to the mix so you can customize every aspect of your shower to all of your senses. Over at MTI, they've mounted vibrating actuators inside the shell of an acrylic tub to effectively turn the whole thing into one big speaker they call Stereo H2O.